Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, thank you for watching. If you are here, thank you. I really appreciate it. I love this community. I love you guys. So let's get into it. I'm calling this what's inside my makeup bag. This is like the beginner's guide to makeup. Like if you don't have any skills like me or minimal skills, here's what I wear. What I wear during the day is what I wear during night, and yeah, it's pretty basic. I used to be a copywriter at Ulta Beauty. I have looked at a lot of makeup, researched a lot of makeup, tried a lot, and here's what I found works best for me. So I would like to share it with you. And if you're watching this video and you're like, oh my god, that girl's makeup is so ugly, stop watching. But if you are interested to see what's inside my makeup bag, here we go. We are gonna start with the foundation. I am a big fan of Ilia, and this is the True Skin Serum Foundation. The coverage is, I would say light, but is also buildable. So if you're looking for something a little bit heavier, you know, you can put a little bit more on, but I like things on the lighter side because I feel like with fine lines, some heavier concealer that I wear, the thicker it makes the lines. I pair this with the True Skin Serum Concealer. Great match. Obviously, if you use the same thing, it's gonna look seamless. So love these two. After I do my foundation, we're gonna talk about contour. I cannot contour for the life of me. I was the person in high school with so much bronzer that I never taught myself how to properly contour until I discovered Dibs. I am obsessed with their contour stick. Why? Because it comes with a bronzer side and a blush side, and they look so beautiful together. I never realized the purpose of a good brush until I tried a very good Dibs brush. These two together blend like butter. Love this combo together and invest in a good brush. That is my advice. After I apply my blush and contour, I go in with a highlighter. This is the High Road highlighter. I love it because it's almost like a rose gold. They have different, they also have different highlighters depending on your skin tone, but I love the rose gold. I feel like it blends in nicely with my blush. I apply it to my high cheekbone and my eyebrow. I know other people apply it other places. Again, I'm just a beginner, so that is where I place it. I feel it's just like a nice little highlight. I feel like you can even see it here. Very, very subtle. Oh, and we're gonna talk about brushes again because when I got this highlighter, I invested in the highlight brush. This is, you can apply it on your chest if you wanna get fancy with it, but I feel like it blends nicely on my cheekbone and on my eyebrow, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom, bam, highlight. After we finish the face, we're gonna go in on the eyes. I am a big fan of the Shiseido Eye Curler. This has great reviews. I got this from Sephora. Enough said. You get it at the checkout counter, you know where all the goodies are right before you check out. And you're like, oh, I need a mask, I need hairspray, I need a little, you'll find it there. After I do my eyelashes, I go in with mascara. We're back with the Ilia. This is After Midnight. Just a great basic black mascara. It doesn't flake, it holds all day. And I've tried a lot of mascaras in my life. This one is top tier. We're gonna go in with the eyeshadow. Again, Ilia. This is the Chromatic Eye Tint. This is the shade I use for summer. It was a light pink. They have great warm tones for fall, so I am looking forward to stocking up on that. But again, I just use it with my finger, nothing fancy, super simple, out the door. We're gonna talk about eyeliner. This is for all my Selena fans out there. Rare Beauty. Amazing. If you fell into the side of TikTok where you saw every Rare Beauty blush and bought them all, you're not alone. I also tried their eyeliner. It is amazing. If you struggle with a wing eyeliner, look how thick this is. It's so easy just to flick. That's all. And I know if you're watching this and you're a millennial, you love a good wing liner. Draw a cat eye sharp enough to kill a man. You know. So after we finish the eyes, we're gonna go with an eyebrow. I love everything Anastasia. This is the brow definer. Look, I don't even have caps for it. That's how much I use it. I love that it comes with a brush. Then you can fill in. It's kind of like it's a super thin tip. This is shade Soft Brown, and yeah, we love to see a brow that was not damaged from the early 2000s over plucking. Lips. I love a good shade of pink. I have the ColourPop So Glassy or So Glossy. I've used this so many times I can't even read what it says anymore. Rhode is another great lip gloss. I like Rare Beauty. Dibs has a great combo where it's a lip liner and gloss that matches perfectly together. So any shade of pink will work to complete the look. Finish with a setting spray. This is Too Faced Blue Light Defense. Any setting spray by Too Faced is incredible. Helps set your makeup so you can wear it all day. And that is it, you guys. That is what's in my bag. This is for an everyday look. If you have any questions, let me know. Or if you have any suggestions, if I'm doing something wrong, I'm not a beauty guru, but I just enjoy makeup. So please let me know. I would love to hear also what brands you like, and I will go check them out. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope everybody has a great day. And TTYL. Bye.